Good morning. So, Saturday morning, and we are about to see and meet one of the last capoeira Jedis, my good friend, Mestre Acordeon. Just picking up my right-hand woman, capoeira student, and we will be on our way to Leeds.
I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more
Hello.
on social media and tech videos. Catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.
So, Alicia Maria, are you looking forward to meet Mestre Acordeon?
Yeah, I mean, it's an amazing opportunity, right? What do you want me to say?
It's good, you gotta be more relaxed, but that's it.
Okay. So this guy, Mestre Acordeon, does he have some kind of style?
Yeah, I mean, Mestre Acordeon, I believe his nickname derives from the fact that he can play, he's a multi-instrumentist. So he plays the guitar, the accordion, he plays the harmonica. Harmonica is the gaita, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and he's one of the students of Mestre Bimba. He was also one of the, how you say, the first people,
Pioneer.
one of the pioneers bringing capoeira to the US. And he's a very skillful musician, and he has recorded many CDs, you know, that it's not just capoeira, it's a musical CD, it's beautiful. Vamos pedir o axé. It's really nice. He has a long list of records. So, feeling nervous?
Yeah, I am now.
Because of the camera?
Yeah, and also the fact that I've arrived.
That'll be cool. Oi, Mestre Irã!
Vamos pedir a essa roda começar de conforme o fundamento capoeira.
think of the event overall? What was the no, just say something you liked about the event.
Okay, so I liked Macaco's class. It was really simple. There's some really basic, not basic stuff, but like valid, relevant stuff about like being.
I mean, it was a beginner's class.
It was a beginner's class, but I'm a beginner, so it
Yeah.
was quite relevant to me.
Yeah, just saying that it's not a problem saying it was, you know, a simple class.
Yeah,
Simple is good.
Well, I didn't want to offend him saying it was simple. It was actually quite kind of deep, like grounding yourself on the floor, not being afraid of getting into somebody's space, and being kind of true to yourself, which is kind of cool. So I enjoyed that. I like.
Yeah, simple is always good. Like, I work a lot on simple.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, that was not taken as an insult. See, it's fine.
Yeah, it was good energy. Everyone was really nice as well. It was an honour to be in the presence